think there are huge potentials here. The potential for RRI, for responsible research and innovation in Europe, is huge, largely because it's new, and I think it can become the mark of a European attitude to research and innovation. In international debates, the European attitude to research and innovation is associated with the precautionary principle. And here is a way to communicate and disseminate a cultural attitude to research and innovation that takes responsibility seriously. In this workshop today and yesterday, we discussed some really important keywords such as engagement, but also transparency and sincerity. And I think we should take these keywords seriously. There are some very serious challenges here. There is a risk that responsible innovation, responsible research become a tick-boxing exercise. That has happened so many times with other issues about ethical concerns or quality assurance systems. We certainly don't want this to be the case for such an important concept. And I think the way is to go precisely in the directions that we've been investigating together in this couple of days, to inject moderately normative principles in this guide for RRI that we could develop together, but also to maintain it, to keep it a dynamic, open-ended process. And I think the most important aspects have already emerged in our discussion when we talked about the time frame and the quality of involvement. Yes, I think it's particularly important to keep into consideration societal engagement, to actually identify and map all the societal stakeholders that have something to say about responsible research and innovation. Maybe they don't use the concept, and that doesn't mean that they need to be educated about it. It just means that as researchers, and that means both as hard sciences or scientists or social scientists, we really need to identify and map research needs before we even begin to develop a research agenda. So I think it's important to identify and map real stakeholders